In today's video, we're going to be going over everything that's wrong with the Miata. So the first thing, and probably the most important thing, is it needs new front tires. These ones are bald and there's wires coming out of them. As you can probably tell, the passenger door needs some work. It needs a new door card. And then someone tried breaking into the car, apparently, so it needs a new window, and then it needs a new door handle as well. The driver's side fender is kind of messed up, so we're probably going to replace that. We do plan on wrapping it eventually, but in the meantime, it needs clay bar and it also needs a paint correction. The suspension definitely needs some work as well. Besides the door card, the interior needs new carpet and it also needs a shift boot. I just realized today that it's leaking from somewhere. I'm not sure if it's the soft top or from the window, but the seat is soaked. And it also needs a stereo. Both of the left turn signals are out. The previous owner said that one of the exhaust hangers is off, so it's rattling pretty bad, and then I think it also has an exhaust leak. So it does run and drive pretty well as it is, but we're going to do regular maintenance like spark plugs, spark wires, and oil change. And then it is leaking oil from somewhere, so we're going to try to fix that as well.
Okay, so now that you know everything that's wrong with the car, let's go and talk about the good stuff, I guess, if there's any. I don't know. So it does come with the aftermarket Mazda radiator. I'm assuming the other one probably went out and they just replaced it. It comes with a cold air intake or whatever, but I really do prefer the OEM look, so I might just put it back on. I'm not exactly sure. And then it comes with a little bit of oil leak and a dirty engine bay. In the trunk, it also had a bag full of random items, and so some of the items are these suspension components. Not exactly sure. There's only like one of each, so maybe some of them are already installed. I have no idea. Comes with this little Mishimoto Penguin air freshener, so we'll put that in the car. Comes with an air filter. I believe these are bearings. I'm not exactly sure, but you guys can let me know. Here, you guys can take a look. Yeah, I'm not sure if they're, I don't know what it is, but some screws, some plugs for the floor. We have a handle here for the window, and some little trims here. Don't know why we have some fuse boxes, or not fuse boxes, some what do you call it? Oh, some relays. No idea why there's relays here. That's about it. Oh yeah, the OEM air filter is in there as well, and the old water pump, some hoses. Oh, I need to see this. What is this? Is there anything in it? It's like Christmas again. Some gaskets and seals. Oh no, it looks kind of new. More suspension components. Yeah, that's pretty much it. What is up, everyone? So we are taking the Miata out for a little drive to the gas station. As you can see, we still don't have a window, so it's a little cold, but honestly the heater is coming in clutch because it's staying pretty, you know, it's decent. It's cold outside, but it's okay inside the car. And she's driving it here.
There's no gas and no window.
Yeah, so the car has a little bit of a few issues, but it drives very well. We like how it drives. We got a few items for the car. We'll show you guys tomorrow.
Yeah. So yesterday we went and got carpet for the Miata and also a fender, driver's side fender. And now we're going to head out and get a door, the passenger side door. And then we're also hoping to get a seatbelt buckle for the passenger side because that broke last night when we were driving.
Yeah, so it's not safe.
Nope.
Regulator even works first, okay?
Oh, from here?
Yeah.
Imagine it doesn't. Okay, it does.
See, that's how a good regulator should work. Not like ours. So, what are we doing with this?
Well, I think we should take the regulator out of this one.
Yeah,
and put it in there.
I think
Or
so.
we can just switch the whole door. But this door's green. It's primer only.
Yeah. Yeah, so I think let's just swap it over without breaking it. I think we can do it. Should we do this? Or should we watch a video on how to do it first?
I think we need to watch the video because I watched it a few days ago. So.
Okay.
I don't remember.
You think Chris Fix made a video for this?
Oh, it's like bigger than I thought.
She already took out the regulator out of the OEM door. And now what we're doing is we're taking the regulator off of this door and we're just taking it over to that side. We just gotta remember exactly how we take it off so that it works on that door as well. Here we were trying to work as quick as we could because my phone was low on battery and very low on storage. But honestly, taking the regulator off was fairly easy. Just make sure you remember each part you took off.
Strip it.
The hardest part was actually putting the glass back in the door.
Okay, so we're done installing the new window regulator. So now the window,
What?
it's hard to do it.
Oh,
Now it's working. Yeah, the end of it is like it's super stiff.
yeah.
But it does work. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching.
And if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe.
We do have some super unique plans for the Miata. We're not going to say exactly what we're doing yet, but just stick around to see what we're going to do.
Yeah, come back next week.
Please.